Hi, I am Thangarajanand, a mechanical engineer by heart, a technology management MBA from Anna University. Back to 2014, my research project was regarding achieving artificial intelligence, AI, through process innovation. That passion drives me even today. For the past 30 years, I have experienced the beautiful and challenging journey across the manufacturing, R&D, robotics, and automation, and many breakthrough innovations and technologies. I founded Sai Elite India in 2001. Earlier, it is Elite India, and today we boost creativity and innovations across the kids, tech students, corporate leaders, and employees, and in India and also in abroad, and Malaysia and Thailand. Superheroes are not born, they are made with the knowledge and technology. So, superheroes are not born actually. I have upgraded myself continuously with latest technology, robotics, AI, Gen AI, and 3D designing and simulations. Balancing family, work, and spiritual and health, it's need extra hours and extra effort, all to focus the future of the robotics. Now I want to share the energy with you to create a superheroes for the next generations of super intelligence and robotic neural networks. Join me in my upcoming online sessions on robotics, Gen AI, IoT, 3D simulations, and it is for the school students and tech learners and engineers. This is the future, don't miss it. Register for my free webinar weekly weekend class for just a call or WhatsApp. The number is 9445505875 and 98844511075. Thank you.